Welcome back to Tech World. In this video, we're going to cover a simple three-step framework to write effective prompts for any AI model. Instead of getting vague or generic answers, you'll learn how to structure your inputs using role, constraints, and output goal. Most people get poor results from AI because they use single, vague sentences. When you give an AI tool a generic instruction, it defaults to an average response across all possible interpretations.
To get consistent, professional outputs, you need to eliminate ambiguity by providing explicit boundaries. Step 1. Define the role. Tell the AI model whose perspective and expertise it should adopt. Assigning a persona anchors the model in a specific knowledge domain and tone.
For example, act as a senior front-end developer, specializing in clean, accessible HTML and JavaScript.
Step 2. Apply strict constraints. Constraints tell the AI what not to do. This is the single highest impact addition to cut down fluff or hallucinations. Specify strict limits, word count, forbidden buzzwords, target tone, or code restrictions like do not use third-party libraries. Step 3. Define the goal and output format. State the exact deliverable and the exact shape you want the answer in, whether that's a Markdown table, a numbered list, raw code, or JSON. The clearer your format requirement, the less time you spend editing the result. To summarize, give the AI an expert role, lock in strict constraints, and specify your output format. Copy the master prompt to use in your daily workflow. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button on TechWorld-With-Bulcha for more practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.